Hello, I'm Holland America Land Fleet Executive Chef Sinu Pillai. I'm on board our beautiful ship Koningsdam today. I'm here today to bring a great recipe to you. Today we are making Gold Gala pan-seared sea bass. The ingredients are whole sea bass, 400 to 600 gram, clean, gutted and descaled. Then we have olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon, micro basil, roasted Italian vegetables, parsnip puree, arugula oil and fresh arugula leaves. You can cook this delicious dish at home with Vital Choice. Holland America Line has partnered with Vital Choice, a premium leader in wild-caught fish delivery. So now we got our all ingredients ready. Let's start rolling. So the first step to have this recipe for our Gold Gala pan-seared sea bass is the sea bass fillet. I will take some olive oil, season with olive oil, both sides, nice olive oil there. That's the first step. Then a touch of salt in there, go for both the sides. You know what? Let's have a splash of lemon, right? It just enhances the flavor of the fish, it just balances it out. You don't want to put too much lemon juice as well. You don't want the fish to get cooked, right? The fish is marinated nicely. In the meantime, we are going to take our roasted vegetables. It's always great to use what's in season. So what I got here is some eggplant, some zucchini, some bell peppers and onions. A touch of salt, pepper before you roast it and a bit of thyme. You got some beautiful roasted vegetables there. Place the Italian roasted vegetables in the center of the plate. We leave it on a medium heat. For this recipe, we have also a key ingredient, which is the parsnip puree. The parsnip was half roasted, then boiled it in skim milk. A touch of cream will always help if you want to make it a bit more creamy, just to smoothen it up. So, got one more pan there for our parsnip puree. Love parsnip puree. That's the beauty about this dish. The sweetness that comes from the parsnip that really complements the seafood, the fish. On the recipe, we have added some fried arugula. It's a challenge as a chef. They say never trust a skinny chef, but I'm in a process of shedding some weight. So I thought would be great at home as well for all those health lovers to have some fresh arugula instead of fried arugula. So you could choose fried or fresh arugula with this. It helps the peppery taste, helps with the freshness of the sea bass. As well, I got some lemon, the dried lemon pieces, which we will use it for garnish. If you don't have them at home, it's fine. You could use, just take a regular lemon, thinly slice it. It works perfect. I mean, if you want to dry it, you could just pat it with a paper, slow roast it overnight with the oven. When the fish is cooking, when we are searing the fish, we will cook the cherry tomato so that it doesn't ooze out a lot of water as well. Olive oil. It's very important when you're serving the fish with the skin. We always, chef says, presentation side first, which means the skin, we always put the side first so that the skin stays intact, and it's very important to serve it crispy, crisp like the sea. So that's how you will be able to beautifully enjoy the fish. You see that sound? Beautiful. As a chef, this is one of the favorite, this is music to our ears, that crackling sound. Wow. Take a nice fish slicer, we got here. And when we are searing the fish, one of the key notes is let the fish do its job on its own. Just let it cook on its own. You just have to make sure that the edges are getting nice white color. You could see when the color is changing to white, So that means the fish is cooking. Till then you just let it leave so that the skin is getting crispy. If you try to flip it or you try to turn it, you will destroy the fish and then it won't be as beautiful as you want it. So our cherry tomatoes are there. And then you slightly take your fish slicer, just let slightly go there, flip it there. That's fantastic. Beautiful sound, right? If you want some nice color on the cherry tomato, you could put the skin side down. So as you saw, a beautiful fillet of fish like this wouldn't take longer than 2 minutes to cook. I left like a minute and a half to get the skin crispy, and then another 30 seconds to 45 seconds on the other side. We always love to use ring on board our ships because it gives that elevation to your dish. You could center it so we can have our star, which is our fresh fish, like sitting on a throne. So I got some nice roasted vegetables there. That's very important. Right. I'll take the ring off because you got a nice on there. Then you wanna put the puree, make it look nice. You just go like that, right there. Then we have the fish. This smells amazing. It's beautiful, right? The golden color, I'm loving it. I mean, that's it, fantastic. Take a spoon there, cherry tomato there, a bit here on this side, one there. It's beautiful, right? Kept it there. Now, the peppery flavor from the rocket complements the dish as well. I don't want to hide the fish as well too much. You want to see the beautiful fish. Now, we got some flavored oil. So this is easy to make as well. You could buy it from a supermarket these days, or you can make your own. Just use the neutral oil. Wow, you know what? I'm really happy and excited to see this. This is what the Gold Gala pan-seared sea bass with Italian roasted vegetables, parsnip puree, not fried arugula, fresh arugula, and some beautiful arugula oil. Voila.